Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Rolls-Royce tire. Unlike conventional vehicles, Rolls-Royce models feature a highly specialized tire system. This design prioritizes your safety and the vehicle's exceptional ride quality. Attempting a DIY tire change is not recommended due to the complex engineering involved. Understanding the correct procedure ensures your vehicle remains in pristine condition and performs as intended. Rolls-Royce vehicles are equipped with advanced run-flat tires, which are a key part of their safety features. These tires have reinforced sidewalls, allowing you to continue driving safely for approximately 100 miles at speeds up to 50 miles per hour after a puncture. The integrated tire pressure monitoring system will immediately notify you of any loss of pressure, ensuring you are aware of the situation without delay. When a Rolls-Royce tire needs attention, the only recommended course of action is to contact an authorized Rolls-Royce service center or a specialist with certified expertise. These professionals have the precise equipment and training necessary to handle the unique wheel and tire assembly. Attempting to change the tire yourself or using an uncertified mechanic could lead to significant damage to your vehicle's sophisticated components. Maintaining your Rolls-Royce's integrity means always using genuine, approved tires that meet the manufacturer's stringent standards. After any tire service, precise balancing and alignment are absolutely critical to preserve the vehicle's legendary smooth ride and handling characteristics. This attention to detail ensures your Rolls-Royce continues to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. For more great tips and other deals, check the description below. And remember to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.